let's talk about the master keys on this journey. You as a divine feminine, once you get soul recognition, you are handed the master key. The master key opens the portal to all the other dimensions. While ever you, though, are keeping yourself focused on the distorted masculine, you are not going to put the key in the lock and open the first gate. You will keep yourself trapped here in the distorted energy. And let me tell you, for anybody that is stuck in that distorted energy, it is incredibly painful. You will be surrounded by doubt. You will be endlessly searching. You will be trying to figure out what is happening to you, treating it like a soulmate relationship. A twin flame journey, let me tell you, is a deep transformation of purification, of deep transformation into the journey of awakening. But whenever you focus on the distorted masculine's energy and trying to work out what they are or aren't doing, you are not going to put your key, that master key, into the lock. You may look in the windows, you may know roughly what to do on the journey, but this is not about knowing what to do. This is about energetically shifting. And you can only energetically shift on this journey if you put that master key, because that master key, divine feminine, opens up the door to all the other doorways to come back into that oneness frequency, to come into inner union. Now, here's the thing. Most divine feminines want to give the key or try and do the key together. Let's unlock it together. Or let you, divine masculine, unlock the first door and I'll be waiting for you. That's not how the journey works. You as a divine feminine must put the key, the master key that you hold. Once you open up that gate opens up to all the portals and it opens it up within the self. It is up to you then. And we often hear people talking about the mirror exercise. The mirror, first of all, is reflecting back all your triggers and core wounds. It is up to you, divine feminine, to work through those core wounds. It is up to you to let go, release and detach and come into that wholeness and fullness. You cannot do this together. If you try and do it together, divine masculine will only shine a light even brighter on your abandonment wound, on your betrayal wound, and the need for validation will get stronger and stronger. And this is when the mind and ego is searching for anything that gives you the clue. The clue is held in that master key, and you as the divine feminine must open it. As you open it up, you start to come in to that inner union frequency, or you take the steps to make the shift. You must release the distorted masculine, let go, release, because in releasing it, it allows the veil to drop and for you to start to hear the whispers of the soul that is calling you into alignment. Wherever you are focused on the distorted masculine, you can't see it. You're so focused on what they're doing that the veil is thin, that it doesn't allow you to see within. So you've got to drop that energy and come within, because that mirror that once was your trigger, once you've gone through that first doorway, once you start to allow all that energy to be seen and for those core wounds to be witnessed, seen and transmuted through the nervous system, through the body, and shifted into that higher state of consciousness and into the third eye and crown, then you start to open up to the portal. And once you start to do that, you shift in frequency. Guess what? As you shift, divine masculine shifts. Now, you won't see the shift in the 3D because they won't show you the shift in the 3D. But as you are shifting, they are energetically shifting. Remember, this is an energetic journey. You are the same soul essence, the same soul signature, the same soul frequency. But wherever you're looking at the body and in the 3D, you're keeping yourself stuck. You're keeping yourself in that toxic energy. This is a deeply inner journey. It is a deep inner journey of transformation. The flame that we talk about, the twin flame, the flame is actually a volcano, an eruption and a combustion of the biggest fire that you have ever felt. And that fire is there to burn all the ego down. It is only when you surrender time and time and time again and start to shift and release and let go and come into that oneness frequency, then divine masculine in that can meet you there. Because instead of you fighting the fire, you actually become the fire. And that fire then turns into that beautiful flame. And from there, you start to dance in that flame, that fire. That fire between the both of you becomes the one energetic flame, which then turns into the lighthouse and the light that is shifting the whole frequency on the planet. If you need more help and support, this journey is a deep journey. It's a deep journey of deep transformation. You can't understand it with the mind and ego. As soon as you drop into mind and ego, you are not doing the truth of the journey. It will keep you in pain. It will keep you looping. This is about letting go of the mind and ego and aligning with soul, coming into heart chakra. And from that place, that's when the journey really starts to shift. It starts to move up a gear. And as it moves up a gear, you start to see the magic. But you see it beyond these physical eyes. You see it with the third eye. And once it is seen with the third eye, guess what? It will drop into the 3D. And then you start to see it in the physical form. If you need more help and support, my website's there. It's the 3Ws, catsacredsoul.com. But it's not there to keep you in the toxic energy, the energetic looping. It's there to show you the truth and to help you put that master key in the gate so you can start to unlock inner union frequency. Because from inner union frequency, we bring in full union frequency. I send you so much love from my heart to your heart. Have a beautiful day.